control program. Actually, we have here the program of infection control. Number one is, of course, to prevent or to reduce HAI. What is the meaning of HAI? Hospital-acquired infections. Very good. Number two, to protect the patient, healthcare workers, visitors, and others in the healthcare environment. So these are the program of infection control. Clear? So how to access the all PPG policy? I already informed you that one. So we have